Okay, so earlier, gumawa tayo ng cucumber juice using the Immerflex Torque Slow Juicer. This time, we'll try it using the Nutri Blitzer. And this is part of Medical Medium's Thyroid Healing protocol. Okay, so with Nutri Blitzer, dapat hanggang dito lang tayo sa max line. So may max line dyan. Kailangan natin bigyan siya ng space. And ang gagamitin nating extractor is the regular blade extractor. A Nutri Blitzer comes with a milling blade as well. And ito, hindi kasya yung dalawang large cucumber. Dun sa protocol ni Medical Medium, we need 2 large cucumbers. So, separate ko na lang to. I-juice later. I-blend later. So, okay, let's start. Hindi ko nilagyan ng water. Try natin na wala. I'll just test it first. Pero may nakahanda akong water in case hindi siya mag-work. So, dapat may water para hindi masyadong na-overwork yung motor. So, okay. So, ito yung Nutri Blitzer. Let's try. Wait. Tingnan. Alugin natin ng konti para bumaba siya. So, i-pulse lang muna natin. So, to pulse, ipe-press lang siya pababa. Okay, nag-work naman. Okay. Mukhang kailangan natin haluin. Wala kasi siyang tubig, so better na alugin siya para hindi ma-overwork yung motor. Okay, let's see. Okay, that's around 10 seconds or more. And mukhang pinong-pino na siya. 10 seconds pa lang yun. So ngayon, since may space na tayo, idadagdag ko yung iba pang cucumber cuts. Kasi dapat 2 large cucumber ang isang serving. Local cucumbers to, and organic, kaya hindi ko na binalatan. If you're buying non-organic, i-peel nyo na lang siya. Okay. Parigata siya. Okay. Okay, within the max line pa rin. Pwede. Kasya na to. Nalagay ko lang. Okay, so tinad ko na yung natirang cucumber within the max line. And let's try again. Shake lang natin para bumaba siya. So, pulse. Okay, mukhang okay naman. Pinapulse ko din also para hindi ma-overwork at para ma-check kung gagana ba siya. Mukhang okay naman. So, that's another 10 seconds. So, with Nutri Blitzer, hindi natin pwedeng paandarin ng tuloy-tuloy na 1 minuto. 1 minute at the most daw. And if gagawin nyo yun, kailangan yung pahingahin ng 2 minutes. Okay, so gusto ko, I think pino na siya, pero another 5 or more seconds. Okay, so that's actually 10 seconds. Or less. Let's see kung okay na ba siya. Okay, so ito ang ating finished product ng cucumber juice using the Nutri Blitzer. Siyempre dahil hindi natanggal yung fiber, mas malapot siya compared dun sa ginamitan natin ng smoothie. And in fairness, hindi na natin kinailangan gamitin tong reserve water ko. So this is just pure cucumber juice. So I'll try it. Okay, so tinry ko siya. Wala na ako nangunguya. Malapot siya pero wala ka nang mangunguya. So thick lang yung consistency niya. So kayo, depende sa taste nyo kung gusto nyo ba yung parang juice lang talaga siya, tubig na tubig lang, then use the juicer, slow juicer. Pero kung gusto nyo ng ganito, okay lang sa inyo parang smoothie type, then you can use the Nutri Blitzer. Okay, so to know more about Medical Medium's Thyroid Healing Protocol, check nyo lang yung link sa baba. Ililink ko yung ebook niya. I bought his ebook. Kasi sa US to eh, so yeah, it's more convenient for me to just buy the ebook. And okay, so that's it. And I'll show more videos. By the way, this is Taglish. I don't know if mas maraming interested na taga-ibang bansa. So I might change to English para maintindihin nila. Kasi mas hindi pa to sikat sa Philippines. Pero malaki na yung movement ng celery juice movement sa ibang bansa. Okay, so that's it for now. So yung susunod kong gagawin would be mango and banana thyroid healing smoothie.